Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news from the cosmos that you won't want to miss. An asteroid known as 2024 PT5 has just entered Earth's orbit, and it's being dubbed as our new moon. This cosmic visitor will be hanging around for a remarkable 56 days, giving us a unique opportunity to observe and learn from it. In this video, we'll dive into the details of this fascinating event, explore what makes 2024 PT5 so special, and discuss the implications of having a new moon. So, let's get started. September has been an exhilarating month for space enthusiasts, packed with jaw-dropping events that have kept astronomers and stargazers on their toes, and it's far from over. The month kicked off with a bang when asteroid 2024R W1 made a surprise entrance, discovered just in the nick of time. This unexpected visitor, measuring about 15 meters, sparked heated debates about the effectiveness of our planetary defense systems. Its sudden appearance serves as a stark reminder of the countless space rocks that are hiding in the shadows of our solar system, waiting to be detected before it's too late. While this particular asteroid posed no threat to Earth, another rock detected almost at the last minute could have caused significant damage had it collided with our planet. This asteroid, spotted in August, zoomed by Earth in mid-September, making a close pass on September 17th at a distance of approximately 1 million kilometers, about 2.6 times the distance between the Earth and the Moon. But wait, there's more. September also treated us to a breathtaking celestial spectacle. On September 18th, we witnessed a supermoon lunar eclipse, just 2 weeks after experiencing a partial lunar eclipse. With so much happening in the cosmos, who knows what incredible sights await us next? Stay tuned. Mark your calendars for October 2 and an annular solar eclipse is set to grace the skies, creating a stunning visual display along a narrow path that stretches from the Pacific Ocean to the Atlantic. This celestial event will pass over Easter Island and southern Argentina, giving lucky viewers an unforgettable sight. But wait, September isn't done yet. It has 2 more thrilling surprises in store, and they're the most anticipated ones of all. First up, Earth is about to welcome a new moon. And this isn't just any moon, it's sticking around for a couple of months. Say hello to the Arjuna asteroids, a fascinating group of near-Earth asteroids, or NEOs, that belong to the vast population of asteroids in our solar system. These intriguing rocks come in all sizes, from small boulders to larger, more substantial bodies, and their orbits can be influenced by the gravitational pull of planets like Jupiter. Sometimes, these asteroids venture so close to Earth that they get snagged by our planet's gravity, transforming into what we call a temporary moon or a mini-moon. And guess what? This month, Earth is about to capture one of these mini-moons, a tiny asteroid named 2024 PT5. During a routine monitoring of potentially hazardous space rocks on August 7th, researchers at the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, a TLAS, made this exciting discovery. A TLAS has made an exciting discovery, asteroid 2024 PT5. Unlike our Earth's moon, which has been a steadfast companion for about 4 billion years, this little space rock is more like a fleeting visitor. Measuring roughly 10 meters in length, about the size of a bus, asteroid 2024 PT5 is set to embark on a unique journey. Instead of a complete orbit, this tiny asteroid will trace a horseshoe-shaped path around our planet, beginning its 57-day orbit on September 29th and concluding on November 25th. After that, it will head back to the Arjuna asteroid belt. But don't worry, it's expected to make a return visit to our orbit in 2055. Naturally, many people are wondering, could this asteroid pose a threat to Earth? According to astrophysics Professor Adam Frank from the University of Rochester, there's no cause for alarm. He explains that this asteroid is essentially a flying mountain in space, orbiting close to Earth and sharing its path around the Sun. It's being captured by Earth's gravity and will temporarily join our Earth-Moon system, he says. It will orbit Earth for about 2 months before being flung back out into space. So, for a brief moment, we'll have a tiny moon of our own. This mini-moon may be small, but its arrival is certainly a thrilling cosmic event. If asteroid 2024 PT5 were to hit Earth, we'd be facing an apocalypse of biblical proportions. But rest assured, this tiny visitor is orbiting at a distance comparable to that of the moon, so there's absolutely no threat to us. Here's a fun twist. Some scientists believe that 2024 PT5 might actually be a piece of Earth's moon. Its movement suggests it could be ejecta from an impact event on the lunar surface. According to Paul Chodas, the director of NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, this adds an intriguing layer to our understanding of asteroids. Unfortunately, don't expect to catch a glimpse of this mini-moon with the naked eye. It's just too small. You'll likely need professional telescopes to keep track of its journey as it approaches our planet. So, make sure to subscribe to Territory Space for updates on this cosmic event. Now, let's dive into another fascinating celestial spectacle. By 600 CE, the pyramids of Giza had already stood tall for over 2,000 years, silently witnessing the rise of human civilization in all its rapid and diverse forms. During this time, our fascination with the stars evolved into a serious study. The Babylonians meticulously recorded the movements of celestial bodies like the sun, moon, and planets, even developing a calendar that could predict lunar and solar eclipses. Meanwhile, the Greeks began to challenge the myths surrounding our world, proposing revolutionary ideas, including the notion that the Earth was the idea that the Earth is spherical took root through careful observations, like watching the Earth's shadow on the moon during eclipses. Astronomy was just beginning to take shape, and during this transformative time, a star 2,600 light-years away erupted in a spectacular explosion. Now, 2,600 years later, we're about to witness that ancient explosion lighting up our night sky. Imagine gazing up at the night sky and spotting a bright new star shining where there was none before. This is exactly what happened to Burchard, the abbot of Erburg in Germany, over 800 years ago. He noticed a faint star that, for a time, blazed brilliantly. The star he observed was T Corona Borealis, a variable star nestled in the constellation Corona Borealis, also known as the Northern Crown. What's fascinating about variable stars is that they appear to change in brightness from our perspective here on Earth. T Corona Borealis is located 2,600 light-years away, which means the events we're witnessing today actually occurred 2,600 years ago. Most stars spend their lives fueled by nuclear fusion reactions deep within their cores, but T Corona Borealis has long since passed its prime. Today, it's a stellar remnant known as a white dwarf. And it's not alone. It's part of a rare and intriguing binary star system. In a fascinating cosmic ballet, T Corona Borealis is locked in a gravitational embrace with its stellar companion. The primary star in this duo is a white dwarf, a remnant of a once mighty star that has exhausted its nuclear fuel and collapsed into a dense, Earth-sized object. Though it may seem quiet, this white dwarf harbors an immense gravitational pull, drawing material from its companion star, a red giant. This red giant is an older star, bloated and cool, shedding its outer layers as it nears the end of its life. This fascinating transfer of material is the key to understanding why T Corona Borealis is classified as a recurrent nova. So, what exactly is a recurrent nova? Simply put, it means that T Corona Borealis explodes repeatedly. Every 80 years, this stellar dynamo puts on a dazzling display for us here on Earth. As the white dwarf siphons off material from the red giant, it gradually accumulates hydrogen on its surface over several decades. Once enough hydrogen has built up, a powerful thermonuclear reaction ignites, triggering a runaway fusion event that leads to a spectacular nova explosion. When this happens, the energy released causes T Corona Borealis to shine 1,500 times brighter than usual, making it visible to the naked eye. So keep your eyes on the sky. You never know when this stellar show might light up our night. The night sky is buzzing with excitement as we approach a thrilling astronomical event. The last explosion of T Corona Borealis occurred in 1946, and as we near the 80-year mark, the world is eagerly anticipating the next eruption. When T Corona Borealis goes nova, it will unleash a staggering amount of energy, blasting the accumulated material into space at incredible speeds. This spectacular explosion creates a shell of gas that expands outward, temporarily making the system one of the brightest objects in the sky. But once the explosion subsides, the cycle begins anew. The white dwarf continues to pull in material from its red giant companion, setting the stage for another eruption in the future. So, how do we know we're on the brink of witnessing this cosmic spectacle? T Corona Borealis has a history of eruptions that gives us clues. Its previous eruptions in 1866 and 1946 exhibited strikingly similar patterns. About a decade before each explosion, the star's brightness increased slightly, entering what is known as a high state. Then, about a year before the eruption, the star experienced a brief dimming or dip. Remarkably, T Corona Borealis entered its high state in 2015, and astronomers detected the pre-eruption dip in March 2023. This has put astronomers on high alert. The reasons behind these intriguing patterns remain some of the biggest mysteries surrounding T Corona Borealis. But one thing is for sure, once it explodes, we won't have much time to prepare. So, keep your eyes on the sky. This celestial event is just around the corner. When T Corona Borealis erupts, its peak brightness will be a dazzling spectacle, but it won't last long, only a few hours. Within just a week, the star will dim significantly, making it necessary to use binoculars to see it. It's highly likely that an amateur astronomer will be the first to spot the eruption and alert the professional astronomy community. These passionate stargazers often monitor the night sky from their own observatories, filling crucial gaps in our understanding of celestial events. During its peak brightness, the nova will be visible to the naked eye, but using binoculars or a small telescope will reveal even more stunning details. While it may not reach the intensity of the brightest stars or planets, this nova will still be an unforgettable sight for skywatchers and amateur astronomers alike. More than anything, this event is a once-in-a-lifetime cosmic occurrence. So, grab your binoculars, head outside, and look up. This is a moment you won't want to miss. Asteroid 2024 PT5 is classified as a near-Earth object, measuring approximately 100 meters across. Discovered in the year 2024, this asteroid has captured the attention of astronomers worldwide. Its unusual trajectory has brought it into a temporary orbit around Earth, where it will remain for about 56 days. Unlike traditional moons, which are typically formed from the debris of planets, asteroids like PT5 are remnants from the early solar system. These objects provide us with crucial insights into the formation and evolution of celestial bodies. As PT5 orbits Earth, it will give scientists a chance to study its composition and surface features in detail. With advanced telescopes and observational technology, astronomers are eager to gather data on its structure and characteristics. Understanding asteroids like 2024 PT5 not only informs us about the history of our solar system, but also enhances our ability to identify potential threats from space. This unique opportunity to analyze a celestial body up close is one of the many reasons why 2024 PT5 is such an exciting event for scientists and enthusiasts alike. The arrival of 2024 PT5 as a temporary moon raises intriguing questions about its effects on Earth. While its size is smaller than our natural moon, it can still influence various phenomena on our planet. One of the most noticeable impacts is its gravitational pull, which could slightly affect ocean tides. However, the effect will be much less significant than that of our regular moon due to PT5's smaller mass and distance. Additionally, this asteroid offers a rare opportunity to study the interaction between Earth and near-Earth objects. Scientists will observe how PT5's gravitational forces influence our planet's atmosphere and surface. Understanding these interactions is crucial for predicting potential future encounters with larger asteroids. By closely monitoring PT5's behavior during its stay, researchers aim to enhance our knowledge of celestial mechanics and improve our preparedness for any future threats from space. For stargazers and astronomy enthusiasts, 2024 PT5 presents an exciting opportunity to observe a new celestial object. Although it may not be visible to the naked eye, amateur astronomers can utilize telescopes and binoculars to catch a glimpse of this temporary moon. During its orbit, PT5 will exhibit varying brightness levels, allowing observers to track its movement across the night sky. Astronomers recommend focusing on specific regions of the sky based on PT5's predicted trajectory. Local astronomy clubs and online platforms will provide updates on its location, ensuring that everyone can participate in this celestial event. Observing PT5 is not only a chance to appreciate the beauty of the universe, but also an opportunity to contribute to ongoing scientific research. By sharing observations, enthusiasts can help scientists gather valuable data on this asteroid's behavior and characteristics. Studying asteroids like 2024 PT5 plays a critical role in advancing our understanding of the solar system. These ancient remnants hold clues about the early formation of planets and the processes that shaped our cosmic neighborhood. By examining their composition and behavior, scientists can gain insights into the conditions present during the solar system's infancy. Moreover, understanding asteroids is vital for planetary defense. As we continue to discover more near-Earth objects, it's crucial to assess their trajectories and potential threats. Researching asteroids can lead to the development of strategies for deflecting or mitigating the impact of larger, hazardous bodies. In essence, every observation and study of asteroids contributes to our long-term goal of ensuring Earth's safety from potential cosmic dangers. As 2024 PT5 orbits Earth, scientists will engage in intensive observation and analysis, collecting data that could span years. After its 56-day visit, PT5 will exit our orbit, continuing its journey through the solar system. However, the knowledge gained from this encounter will be invaluable. The data collected will enhance our understanding of asteroid behavior and contribute to the ongoing research into near-Earth objects. In addition, this event may inspire future missions to explore asteroids further. With advancements in space technology, scientists are increasingly considering missions to land on or even redirect asteroids. The insights gained from PT5 could pave the way for future explorations, unlocking the mysteries of our solar system. Unlike our natural moon, which has been a permanent fixture in Earth's orbit for over 4.5 billion years, asteroid 2024 PT5 is a temporary visitor. Our moon is a stable satellite formed from the debris of a massive collision between Earth and another celestial body. On the other hand, PT5 is an asteroid captured briefly by Earth's gravitational pull. Its stay is short-lived, and it will leave Earth's orbit after 56 days. While our moon is responsible for significant tidal movements, PT5's influence will be minimal. Its presence, however, adds a fascinating twist to our understanding of orbital mechanics. Asteroids like 2024 PT5 sometimes enter Earth's orbit due to complex gravitational interactions. These objects, called quasi-satellites, are influenced by the gravity of the Earth and other celestial bodies. The gravitational forces from the Sun, the Earth, and other planets can push an asteroid into a temporary orbit around our planet. However, these orbits are often unstable, causing the asteroid to leave after a short period. Studying these phenomena helps scientists understand the dynamic nature of space and the complex gravitational relationships that exist within our solar system. Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blisovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blisovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.